What if I told you that the secret to losing weight, boosting your energy, and even sharpening your mind isn't about eating less? It's about eating smarter? Intermittent fasting is more than a trend. It's a science-backed way to transform your health. And the best part? You don't have to give up your favorite foods. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started and see results fast. Hey everyone! If you're constantly battling weight gain, energy dips, or food cravings, you're not alone. Millions of people just like you are discovering the power of intermittent fasting. But here's the thing, intermittent fasting isn't about starving yourself. It's about giving your body the break it needs to function at its best. Instead of focusing on what you eat, it's all about when you eat. Your body is designed to switch between two states, feeding and fasting. And in the fasting state, magic happens. You burn fat, balance blood sugar, and even repair your cells. Intrigued? Let's dive in. So, why does fasting work? Let's break it down. Weight loss and fat burning. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, making it easier for your body to burn fat instead of storing it. Studies show intermittent fasting can help reduce stubborn belly fat and even boost your metabolism. Boosts brain function. Fasting triggers the production of BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This helps with focus, memory, and even protects against diseases like Alzheimer's. Cellular repair and longevity. Ever heard of autophagy? It's like your body's natural detox mode, removing damaged cells and promoting repair. Fasting is scientifically linked to a longer, healthier life. Balances blood sugar. Intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity, which can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes and prevent those mid-afternoon energy crashes. The beauty of intermittent fasting is that there's a method for everyone. Here are the most popular ones. 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours. Eat within an 8-hour window. Perfect for beginners. 18/6 or 20/4 method. A stricter version where you eat in a shorter window for more fat-burning benefits. OMAD, 1 meal a day. Best for those who want extreme simplicity and rapid results. 5-2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days, then reduce calories for 2 days. Great for flexibility. Want to take your intermittent fasting results to the next level? Meet Lumen, the world's first handheld metabolic tracker. This device measures whether your body is burning carbs or fat in real time, helping you optimize your fasting and diet for maximum fat loss and energy. Thousands swear by it, and it's a game changer. Check it out. The link is in the description below. Ready to try intermittent fasting? Here's how to do it right. Check ease into it. Start with 12-hour fasts and gradually increase to 16 hours. Let your body adjust. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water, black coffee, and herbal teas are your best friends during fasting. They keep hunger at bay and support detoxification. Eat nutrient-dense meals. When you break your fast, go for whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbs. Avoid processed junk that will spike your insulin. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Lack of sleep and high stress can trigger cravings and make fasting harder. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Stay consistent. Results come with time. The first few days might be tough, but once your body adapts, you'll experience newfound energy and focus. Before you start, watch out for these common mistakes. Binge eating. Fasting is not a free pass to eat everything in sight. Keep portions balanced. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration can cause headaches and fatigue. Keep a water bottle handy. Breaking your fast with sugar or junk food. This can cause insulin spikes and energy crashes. Choose real, wholesome foods. Quitting too soon. The first few days might be tough, but your body will adjust. Stick with it. So, is intermittent fasting the key to unlocking your best health? Science says yes. But remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Try it, listen to your body, and adjust as needed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Drop a comment below if you're trying IF or have any questions. I'd love to hear from you.